Alright, so let's move some of the stuff out of the way so I can get to work. Alright. I don't know if you'll be able to see in there. This has a strap right there. I'm not going to do that. Move the sharp stuff out of the way. Oh, and one of the things I didn't talk about was this here. This is my Spot X. This is an emergency communicator. So it's got the little SOS button here. I can push this and it'll call the local authorities or whoever. I can talk back and forth to them. I can go in there. I can send messages. I can receive messages. It's not the fastest, but it costs about $30 a month to maintain the plan. And I find that it is perfect. It keeps my wife happy, so that's worth $30 a month. Right, and then this is my my GoPro gear. So, like I said, I am going to be recording, doing that ice cave, so I'll have to bring this with me too. So, we'll see where that goes. All right, spare clothes. I'm gonna put these down on the bottom. They can stay nice and dry for the evening. So I'm going to put those right down in there. Okay, my make-believe food. Throw it down in here. Alright, you can see, starting to puff this out a little bit. Still got a bunch of room in there. Alright, the next thing I'm going to do, because I probably won't be hiking in this jacket, right? I'm going to stuff this over here to where, if I need it, I can get in right here on this side, and I can pull that out. So, well, not that side. That's why you figure these things out. It's actually right here. So we'll put it on this side. That way now, if I need it, there's my jacket. All right. Cookingware, we're getting higher up in there. Spare fuel. You can see how that's going down in there, right? Medical kit will go on the top. Warmers will go on the top. Pretty much all of this stuff will go on the top. Okay, put that on the top. Let's put the GoPro. Set it right in here. Coffee mug. Spare. And so, let's throw two of them in there, right? So you can see now where I'm at, how I am, right? So on top of that, I will throw my vest, and in that way my vest will be easy to get to, depending on what I'm going to wear. I don't really know what I'm going to wear. But you can see I still have plenty of room. I can throw my water purifier in there. I can do all that other stuff. Alright. Pack this up. So let's take these guys, we'll roll these guys up. Stuff them up in there where they go. Alright, let's see. This is the back. So, got all these little pockets and mesh screens and things in there, so I'm going to use that. Alright, I'm going to use that screen in there. paracord. Alright, these guys, although those will probably be on my trekking poles, but I'll keep track of them. Toe warmers, hand warmers, glass cleaner, compass. And I do a lot of things. I do a lot of things electronically. I'll throw my flashlight in there too, my headlamp. I do a lot of things electronically, but I still take a paper map and a compass in case technology gives up. Oh, let's not forget this guy. Right? Medical kit. And then this, I will put right there so that you can get a nice view of the sky. And then on this side, glasses, beanie and gloves, toiletries. Right? And now, Velcro straps. Alright, clip that on. Clip it on here. Oh, I put that on backwards. Apparently this could go on in either direction. Just pay attention to the logo. There we are. This nice little loop here, lifting this up. Depending on how long your torso is, you can either strap up to here, strap down to here. I ordered this because I'm like 5'10", so. It's all adjustable. I'll adjust all this whenever I get it on. These are the compression straps for the sides. So let's go ahead now figure out how I'm going to get this stuff on here. Alright, I just slide that in upside down. Flip it like that. Bam. What else did I say is right now? Let's grab an axe. Same thing. Right, and then how would I strap this? So this has a little hook right here. It just loops back around to itself. I don't know if you can see that. See that? So it just loops back around and it cinches tight. Put my, yeah. Right. So that's not going to go anywhere. Might get annoying, but it's not going to go anywhere. Right, these guys. all these little Velcro deals here, I'm going to be hanging on to them. I'll go in my little bag of tricks. So, the bottom of this doesn't do anything. It's always fun when all you guys just get to watch me fiddle around with this until I figure out what I want to do. This could change. This could really change a lot. For now, the rough draft. I like how that is. Alright, so there's one snowshoe. Alright, so basically what I'm doing is I'm just going back and forth, keeping everything even. Tuck these guys in right here. Don't worry, I'll take the tags off it. Right? These are most likely going to be on my feet too, so shouldn't have to worry about it too much. But if I do, this bag has plenty of space for them. Time! Okay, here we are. Yeah, I'll probably fold this back up underneath there. Yeah, or I'll put another separate strap. Hold this one over here like this, right, to that one. Hold this one over here like this to this one. Right? Either way, it's a good little rough draft. You can see what I've got going on here. I still have some loose straps and things. There's a lot of loose cordage that could be cut off, eliminated. I think this pack empty is close to 8 pounds, so it's not a light pack. I didn't buy it for a light pack. I bought it for my be-all, end-all, take it when I need it. I'm not a lightweight backpacker. If I am, I've got day packs and things for that. But as far as durability and all that other stuff goes, I think this is gonna be it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got a glimpse into what I do whenever I get ready to go on a backpacking trip. Obviously, I haven't thought of everything. I'm still about 2 weeks out, 2.5 weeks out. So after this video, I'll be taking all this out, putting it right back on the ground so I can see it, checking everything out front of my checklist. Getting with my friends, they'll be coming over. We'll be seeing what's in their pack, see how they got everything packed up, if we can redistribute anything. Right now, I'm looking at, it's not too bad. This pack is actually no water. I'm probably between 35 and 40 pounds, which is a really good weight for me considering what I have on here and considering what I'm going to be doing. So, Nalgene bottle will go here. Another bottle will go here. Right, and then whatever else I can think of. I know I can still strap some things on the bottom. You do a whole bunch of stuff. I'll have to adjust the fitment of all this stuff. You know, get all this here adjusted. Got a lot of stuff. But I like the straps. Straps are nice and padded. The hip belt is really nice and padded. So it's actually got these little, this webbing or whatever you want to call it, that they make attachments for. So like if I'm going to go deer hunting or something like that, I could put a holster on it. I could carry, you know, my rifle, my butt sling, and all that different stuff. It could all go in it. It's got areas up here I can throw extra stuff on. So I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I will let you know if I'm still satisfied with it after my backpacking trip. This will be the first one of the 2020 year, so first one with this bag. I haven't been out since November when it was nice weather. So yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave any comments, concerns, any questions. If you would like to know why I packed the way I do, put that in the comments. Maybe I'll put a video together. I could even go over all the different types of backpacking or packing that I do depending on the type of backpacking trip it's going to be, fishing trip, hunting trip, weather, that it's going to be summer, winter. Yeah, and go over the food that I'm going to take and all that different stuff. So just let me know. All right, guys, thanks for watching.